banakingaho okutendeka oku uri omujwekero w'omwebembezi w'ihanga mu district ya Kyotera Apollo Umugume yayihanangiriza abeegi okukunda ensi yaabo abo barikurwanisa ebikorwa ebitashemere kuba nibikorwa mu ihanga nk'obushomankuzi obuhindukire ekizibu bwa hati.
Talk of patriotism. I know you love yourself, you love your country, and you are ready to sacrifice for your country. And when you are patriotic, you know that you are not supposed to be corrupt. The challenges we are facing now, corruption. We are seeing it in the media even where we are moving now. People are people who are supposed to implement this program we are talking about, PDM, extorting money from wananchi.
Muringo ngogumwe guyayihanangiriza eminyete etendekirwe urebeka ngu yabe cyo kureberaho mbyare y'ibari kutura okukora ebintu ebiri kurinda ihanga nko kurwanisa kucisha obhangwa bwensi igerete ihanga eri iryagira ebigwererezi betari bimwe na bimwe.
There are other things we need to fight in our society. People who are destroying our environment. You are aware. You go back to your village, you find people encroaching on wetland. Talk to them and advise them that no, please, you are destroying our future.
Muringo ngogumwe busurwa Fred Koronari uri omushuganisa wa Patriotism ombitongore bya government bitari bimwe na bimwe hamwe n'abantu babutosha yayihanangiriza abejaba abatendekwa mu kundi ihanga lyabo kurebeka ngu bakozesa obukodyo obubatunga ombyaro byabo kurebeka ngu batandikaho emirimo yo kubabeyisaho
kubiriza abayizi okuberanga bakozi babeko emirimo gye bakolewaka okulabanga bayambako bakadde baabwe babera abaana ab'empisa abawulize ate ne babera ku somero bagale nnyo abasomesa baabwe ne basoma.
Ebyo bikiri aho orukushuganisa okukunda ihanga ningace kiri kumanywa nka patriotism omutanga ekyambasaka John Musinguzi yashoborera gwentekateeka egi eyambireho munonga omukuretaho emico omubaana b'amashomero egireetera abeegi batandika kukora gye omu by'okushoma.
Yambye nnyo mu kuleeta amasaka n'amasomero gonna twetoolodde abaana bano bateeza imbere bayambye okukola bulungi ebigezo byabwe bakora bulungi nnyo ate abaana n'ekirala kituyambye nnyo okulwanyisa strikes obwegugungo mu masomero.
Meja Fred Maregano ab'omuduumizi w'enkambi y'amahe yakasijjagirwa yashoborera ngu amahe g'ihanga nigaza kugezaho gumara gakwatanisa n'aba patriotism okutendeka abeegi hamwe n'eminyeeto okuhezaho obuhenda biragiro omu ihanga
no kufokasinga ku youth kubanga youth the foundation b'eggwanga abalina okulitwala mu maaso era entanda gye tubasibirira yakubagamba nti bye basomye wano tebikoma ku bo bekka babitwale babisomese n'abavubuka banaabwe n'abazadde baabwe basobole okuleetawo enkyuka mu Uganda.
Buli omwebembezi w'ishomero eri lya Kabale Sanze yashoborera ngu enteekateeka egi ya patriotism egerizeho munonga okubahwera okukira munonga mu kuleetera abeegi bagira obuvunaanyizibwa mu bye barikukora byona.
Omuyizi wa patriotism obuwulize bwe bweyongerako kati nno ffe abaffe engeri babadde era abalungi nga balina discipline kati ate nga bayongeremu ne patriotism kati ate kigenda kutwanguyira nnyo banguyira nnyo okumanya obuvunaanyizibwa bwo we bali ne gye balaga.
Enteekateeka egi ya patriotism ekatongozebwaho omwebembezi w'ihanga omwaka gw'2009 n'ekigendererwa ky'okukundisa abaana ihanga lyabo hamwe n'okubashomesa ebyafaayo by'ihanga kyebahwere okugira obuvunaanyizibwa mu bye barikukora byona.
In this you learn to be emotionally intelligent and you learn how to socialize with our friends in the community, in our families and in the school. We also learned about how to know ourselves, and this included self-awareness, knowing your personality, how to let others know you, and how you know others.
Makuraga gashakwa nakamya Francis Kanalutaya aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kyotera.